Hello everybody, this is Apple Watch Team Sports and I'm here to introduce a video on how to enable dark mode. Welcome back to my tutorial of how to install dark mode on your iPhone X. I know a lot of people have been wanting to do dark mode. It was introduced in WWDC 2018, but no one has been really speaking about it. So I decided to do a tutorial of how to install dark mode into your iPhone X or your iPhone 8 or 8 Plus or 7 Plus. So let's get started. First of all, this is iPhone X, and I installed it. There's two ways to install it here. I did it. Excuse me. Let me. Okay. I installed it. There's several ways where you could just install a black photo or from Google. So I'll introduce you guys how to do it that way also. So first of all, you go into Google. Go into Google. Go to. Sorry, it looks kind of bright there. Okay, here, Google.com, and you find yourself a black photo. Black. I guess you could just type in black and go to images, and you could go ahead and download either one of these photos. And once you download it, which I already did, I downloaded it. You go into settings. Go into settings, then go to display bright. Let me go back. Go into settings and display. Sorry, not display. I'm all confused now. You go into settings, then you go into wallpaper. Then you just install your choose a wallpaper right there. Once you choose it, you click on it, and you can keep it. And once it's installed, you will have the dark mode as far as only on the apps. See here, on apps. But if you want to have it on it doesn't look like that on messages and other apps like on Instagram. There's another way. It's the bootleg version of dark mode. So what you do is you go into settings, general, accessibility, then you scroll down to display accommodations, and then you toggle this button here called invert colors. Then you toggle smart invert, and that would put you into dark mode. And as you can see, looks pretty good. The colors are a little bit off. It's kind of like a teal blue. And when you go into certain apps, like if I go on to Instagram, it's in dark mode. You see that? Dark mode. The colors are off when you are viewing other people's pages. There you go. Looks kind of funny. The colors are off, but that's dark mode for you. Even on Google, dark mode. If you want to check your reminders, that's in dark mode as well. You go to your text messages, that's in dark mode. That looks pretty impressive. Go to make a phone call, got your call list, that's in dark mode. So there you go, fellas. dark mode. That's the bootleg way of getting into dark mode. So please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, hit like. If you like the video, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Apple Watch Team Sports. Peace.
Did it with no favors, I didn't put it, I could've put me up.